Hey everybody, I realized that I have not done a finish video of the Kitfox, so I thought I'd give you a quick walk around. I'm going to try to keep this kind of brief, but those that know me know that I talk for way too long. So let's take a look. I've been flying it and you guys have all seen the videos of it flying, but probably haven't seen a completed video of it. Real simple, you know, I kept the paint job not simple, but I still really love it. I'm having a blast with this thing, and it's just been an absolute fun airplane to fly. Wing struts are faired now, and that picked me up about 17 miles an hour just on the wing struts and the gear alone. You can see they're still in wood. I've got a little bit of finish shaping to do, and I'm going to cover those as well as the gear. Gear's my own build. I kind of took a loose take on the Super Cub. The springs are off of a snowmobile. The spring rate on them is awesome. It works really well with two people. I've dropped it in from 3 feet and it just kind of mushes in. It's great. Interior, I did completely from scratch. Sewed everything up. I put little pockets in the front of the seats for pocket knives, things like that. Center console for my intercom. And then I kept my panel super light. It's fiberglass, and I actually knocked 12 pounds off of my panel. You can see that primary function display right here is electronic, and that's just an awesome way to go to keep everything in there. It gives you a full 6-pack view. It's customizable, all kinds of things. RAM mount for my iPad. And what I really love about this airplane is when I designed and re-engineered some of the structure to it, was putting this huge baggage compartment. It's 54 inches, 24 inches wide. I figure I can put 60 pounds back there as long as it's not behind that net and my CG stays good. I can put quite a bit of light stuff behind there and still stay good as well. I covered up where all of my fuel lines are, so there's no wires or anything showing anywhere. I just barely put the doors back on. We're starting to cool down here in Georgia, and I haven't flown with it. I got to clean them up again. They've been sitting to the side getting kind of dusty. The tail wheel, come back here. I did a basic T3 style tail wheel, but I built it, reverse engineered, found out what shock they used, and just eyeball engineered some of the other stuff on it as far as shape goes. But it works really well. I can drop the tail in from as far as I want and you can't even feel it. I have VGs up underneath my horizontal stabilizer now, and I'm getting to work here very shortly on doing a gap seal. I've had tape on there. I just pulled it off to clean and lube things up again. I'm going to extend my elevator 4 inches, put a trim system in. As you can see, it's not the typical tail of a Kitfox 4. I extended it full 12 inches up and it added 31.25%. That, along with the dorsal fin on the back, it's super stable in yaw. It always takes just a little bit of right rudder. It's just this big prop that I'm running on it. When I pull power back, then you can actually put your feet on the floor with this Kitfox. I've never flown another one you could do that. So everything else is pretty much basic Kitfox stuff. It's got a 912 UL, the 80 horsepower engine, and this big 72-inch Luga or NR prop. So that's pretty much it. I still have pinstripe to do on the cowling, a little bit of cleanup stuff on that, and finish up my tapes and stuff on the gear to enclose that. And I'm gonna leave that open because I like using that center support for a step. Makes it a lot easier to get in and out. The floorboards are up over 36 inches, or rather the door seal is, so it's just a lot easier to get in and out of that way. But I thought you guys would all like to see how the interior turned out. The other thing to notice is my root ribs, the butt ribs there, inside the cockpit were custom. I made those from scratch. They're lighter than the ones, and they're actually stronger than the ones from Kitfox, and they match so that I can see my fuel inside each tank pretty easily. So loving the airplane. It's been an absolute blast. I got VGs to come and a little bit more work to do, but all of my bugs are worked out. Radio's working, transponder's working, ADS-B in and out. So anyway, thanks for taking a look, and hope you guys are liking the videos I'm putting out. If you do, give me a comment if you want to see something specific. I'll try to get to it as quick as I can. Have a good one.